Welcome back, savvy savers. Today, we're diving into a topic that impacts all of us but is often shrouded in confusion and frustration: hidden bank fees. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, planning a vacation, or just trying to make ends meet, these sneaky charges can erode your hard-earned money faster than you realize. But fear not. We're here to help you uncover these hidden costs and teach you how to avoid them. Let's get started. Banks are essential to our financial lives, offering a range of services from checking and savings accounts to loans and credit cards. But lurking behind the convenience of these services are numerous hidden fees that can catch you off guard. These fees are often buried in the fine print, making them difficult to identify and understand. Today, we'll explore the most common types of hidden fees and provide practical strategies to avoid them, ensuring you keep more of your money where it belongs, in your pocket. Before we dive into strategies to avoid hidden fees, let's first understand what these fees are and why banks charge them. Here are some of the most common hidden fees you might encounter. 1. Monthly maintenance fees. These are charges just for having an account. They can range from a few dollars to $20 or more per month. 2. ATM fees. Using an ATM outside your bank's network can result in fees from both your bank and the ATM owner. 3. Overdraft fees. If you spend more than you have in your account, your bank may cover the difference, but they will charge you a hefty fee for this service. 4. Paper statement fees. Some banks charge for sending you paper statements instead of electronic ones. 5. Foreign transaction fees. If you use your debit or credit card abroad, you might be charged a percentage of the transaction amount. 6. Account closure fees. Closing an account within a certain period after opening it can result in fees. Monthly maintenance fees can be a significant drain on your account. Here's how to avoid them. 1. Choose a fee-free account. Many banks offer fee-free checking and savings accounts. Do your research and find a bank that doesn't charge monthly maintenance fees. 2. Meet minimum balance requirements. Some accounts waive the maintenance fee if you maintain a minimum balance. Make sure you know what this balance is and try to keep your account above it. 3. Direct deposit. Some banks waive monthly fees if you set up direct deposit for your paycheck. Check if your bank offers this option and take advantage of it if possible. 4. Bundle accounts. Banks often waive fees if you have multiple accounts with them, such as checking and savings. Consolidating your accounts at one bank can help you avoid these charges. ATM fees can add up quickly, especially if you frequently withdraw cash from out-of-network ATMs. Here's how to minimize these fees. Firstly, use in-network ATMs. Stick to ATMs within your bank's network. Most banks have partnerships with other banks or ATM networks to provide fee-free withdrawals. Secondly, plan your withdrawals. Avoid multiple small withdrawals. Instead, plan ahead and withdraw larger amounts less frequently to minimize the number of transactions. Thirdly, get cash back. When making purchases at grocery stores or other retailers, ask for cash back. This way, you can withdraw money without incurring an ATM fee. Lastly, check for reimbursement programs. Some banks reimburse ATM fees up to a certain amount each month. Look for accounts that offer this benefit and keep track of your usage to ensure you're within the reimbursable limit. Overdraft fees are among the most punitive charges, often leading to a cycle of debt. Here's how to avoid them. Firstly, opt out of overdraft protection. By opting out, your transactions will be declined if you don't have enough funds, preventing overdraft fees. Secondly, set up alerts. Most banks offer alerts for low balances. Set these up to notify you when your account balance drops below a certain threshold. Thirdly, link accounts. Link your checking account to your savings account. If you overdraw your checking account, the funds will be transferred from your savings account, often with a lower fee. Lastly, monitor your account regularly. Regularly checking your account balance can help you avoid overdrafts. Use your bank's mobile app or online banking services to stay up to date. Many banks now charge for sending paper statements. Here's how to avoid this unnecessary fee. Firstly, switch to e-statements. Opt for electronic statements instead of paper ones. Not only are they usually free, but they're also more environmentally friendly. Secondly, download and store statements. Regularly download and store your e-statements on your computer or a secure cloud service. This way, you have a record without paying for paper copies. If you travel internationally or shop from foreign retailers, you might encounter foreign transaction fees. Here's how to avoid them. First, use a no-fee credit card. Some credit cards don't charge foreign transaction fees. Apply for one of these cards before traveling. Secondly, withdraw cash abroad. Instead of using your card for every purchase, withdraw larger amounts of cash to use during your trip. This can reduce the number of foreign transactions. Lastly, research bank policies. Some banks have partnerships with foreign banks to offer fee-free transactions. Check if your bank has such arrangements. Closing an account might seem straightforward, but some banks charge fees if you close an account too soon. Here's how to avoid these fees. Firstly, check the terms. Before opening a new account, check the terms to see if there are fees for early closure. If there are, make sure you're comfortable with keeping the account open for the required period. Secondly, transfer funds gradually. If you need to close an account, transfer funds to your new account gradually and ensure all automatic payments and direct deposits are redirected. Lastly, get confirmation. When closing an account, get written confirmation from the bank. This can protect you if there are any disputes later on. Apart from specific fees, here are some general strategies to help you stay ahead of hidden charges. First, educate yourself. Knowledge is your best defense. Take the time to understand the terms and conditions of your bank accounts and services. Second, ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask your bank representatives about any fees or unclear terms. They are there to help you, and asking questions can prevent misunderstandings. Third, regularly review statements. Regularly review your bank statements for any unfamiliar charges. The sooner you catch an error or unexpected fee, the easier it is to address it. Fourth, negotiate fees. If you see a fee you don't understand or think is unfair, contact your bank. Sometimes they can waive fees, especially if you've been a loyal customer. Lastly, consider credit unions. Credit unions often have lower fees and more favorable terms than traditional banks. If you're unhappy with your bank's fees, consider switching to a credit union. Hidden fees can be a significant burden on your finances, but with the right knowledge and strategies, you can avoid them and keep more of your money. By understanding common hidden fees, reading the fine print, choosing the right accounts, and staying vigilant, you can outsmart the banks and protect your hard-earned cash. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on managing your money and avoiding financial pitfalls. Stay smart, stay informed, and take control of your finances. Let us know in the comments, have you ever been caught by a hidden bank fee? What strategies do you use to avoid them? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.